That's it.
Okay, wait, Ray.
Mama, you're up.
Okay,
Mama.
let's do a photo. Hold on. Or if you guys come here so I can take a photo.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, pause. Yeah, that's good. Ray, look at mommy. Okay.
Let's go.
Ray, hold on tight.
Can you come here and just stay where you are? Can you look into this thing and just see if it's on her face?
Hold on.
You can't.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Okay. Thank you.
Wait. Listen, let me put your other one. Ray, do a cheesy.
Cheesy.
Cheese.
Yeah.
Mama,
Oh,
look.
let's go. Uh-oh. Let's go to
Ray, who's faster, mommy or the bicycle?
You like this? Is it scary?
No.
Faster?
No. Only slowly.
Slow it down.
I like it.
You like it?
Go. We're going.
Yeah, we're going.
Where are we going?
I don't know.
Where are we going?
You want to go back to the house?
No.
You want to keep going?
Yeah.
You like going on the bike?
Oh, who's on the bike?
Say hi.
Hi.
Hello.
We're on a bike.
Should we go through the grass?
No.
We're going to go through the grass. Whoa.
I want to go to the grass.
It's bumpy.
Bumpy. It's bumpy. Whoa, bumpy. Bumpy. Oh,
You like this?
yeah. I'm going on a bicycle today. We're going on a bicycle.
Should we go fast?
No, fast, no. That's fast. Go faster. Let's go faster.
Whoa. We're going fast.
No, I don't want fast.
Whoa.
Ouch, I'm falling.
You're falling?
Yeah. I'm falling.
Okay. It's mommy.
Mama. Let's go here.
Where?
Let's go back.
Circle.
Bill, 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 bill.
Ray, what's on?
Ooh.
to the bar.
I want to eat strawberries.
You want to eat strawberries? Yeah.